everybody to Panther Awards 2019-20. Definitely you're going to have a wonderful time. So enjoy, have a good fellowship with everyone. And I also like to welcome our DRR, Rotractor Raj, DRCC, John Bruno sir, our current YSD, Krishna Marianka sir, an entire team of Panthers, EC, DC, and all president secretaries, and all my event chairs, co-chairs, and our RVC principal and faculty ma'am, and RVC Rotrac Club President Saurav, and IPP Harsh, and entire team of RVC and all the clubs. Welcome you all.
It's a great evening. Of course, it's been 6 months late, but finally Panther Awards is happening. One of the most awaited for even the elite team. Again, congratulations and kudos to 2019-20 team. And it's an immense pleasure standing here because this is the same amphitheater where I started my Rotrac journey. So coming back.
Tough year for all of us, but so nice to see all of you here. You know what we started, and then of course awards and laurels are something that we all look up to. So let me formally invite our DRR elect Anurag. Where are you? Yeah, DRR elect. We also have our district Rotrac committee member Surya Prakash, Rotarian Surya Prakash, wherever you are.
You have rolled well. It's time for you to give one round of applause for yourself. A big round of applause. Give a cheers. Hip it. Hip it. Hip it. Yes, you guys deserve it. You guys done well in the pre-COVID year. A little bit into the COVID year. And I just want to say I wasn't expected to speak, but I'll do my little bit because I'm the current District Youth Service Director. My name is Krishna Marianka. In the last 25 years, I've been in the field of brand, public relations, communications. So I'm going to talk everything from the perspective of the brand. RVC is an amazingly branded college. A lot of work happens here. A lot of studies happen. It's a college that people could only dream about to join, but can't make it easily. And I can tell you I'm one among them. So I ended up studying in Bangalore Institute of Technology because I can't get a seat in RV College. And I'm talking about year between 1990 and 1994. Neither did I make it to BMS College of Engineering. So I ended up in BIT, many underdog colleges, including PS University. This morning I was in PS University installing the new president there. And I can tell you that you guys are one of the best colleges in the entire country. Yeah?
Alright, so good evening, Team Panthers. How are you doing? Come on, guys. I need more voice. I need more noise. Super, super. Thank you so much. So, I know you guys are eagerly waiting. Alright, so we said 3 p.m. onwards and it's been already 5:45. But I know you had a lot of fellowship and a lot of interaction. That is why we had a lot of time kept. So before proceeding to our awards, we have our guest, our principal of RVCE, Dr. K. N. Subramanya Sir with us. Let's give him a big round of applause and welcome to Panther Awards.
It's good, but please take care of yourself. I think that's the first thing you're supposed to know, because we don't know at what point of time it comes and goes. So let me give my example. I think I gone through Corona. I had Corona. Whole of my family had Corona. My father died. So we faced problems for 2 months in the house. And until you get that, people keep commenting, that's all. Hey, it's nothing. Nothing will happen. But the persons who suffer knows about it. It's a very, very difficult thing. So please at least put the mask. I think that's so RVC Rotaract has been doing a good job for a long time. So let us congratulate my college students. Always does a good job in all the activities, whatever we do. And many of the seniors here sitting may be knowing our Dr. Pandurang Shetty. He is a very, very senior most Rotarian in the country. And so he has encouraged for us long time. In fact, I don't know, it may be more than 2 decades we have been doing this in our college. So we have a lot of respect for this association because it builds a lot of leadership in the younger generation. So, and all the people who are the Rotary students in my college are doing very well afterwards also. So in that way, I request, I think people should not talk here. I think there are better places to talk. So, whatever is the awards function which is happening today, I am sure that many would have participated, only few get the awards, it doesn't matter. Maybe you are different from others who are here already, so that itself is an award according to me. So, enjoy the evening.
Presenting to you Sri Srinivas M, the Assistant Commissioner of Police. Initially he was in the Yelahanka subdivision. Currently he is handling the Devnalli subdivision. We have his wife also with us. Ma'am, can we please have you also on stage? Not just the COVID warriors, but their families are also COVID warriors for us. So thank you, ma'am, for being a backbone and support to this, sir.
And Rotarians of Yelahanka, Vidyanapura, they were with me during this pandemic days. But no people were there on the road. They are the ones who are with them, who are with us, and especially with me. Manjunath just now, who gave a song to all of you, and just now it came here. I would like to stress one more lady, Dr. Archana is also here. We moved so many corona patients. They are in panic situation in the GKVK campus where it was a normal thing was done. Recently, I lost one of Rotary, Arun's son died in an accident. At the time also we assembled. It's a grievous situation wherein it should not have happened to anybody. 10,000 packets food has been given, something like that. Almost all has been given by the people in and around that Yelahanka, Vidyanapura and all.
I'm sure the parents are our inspiration and her support. Big round of applause for Dr. Archana Singh's parents as well. Come on guys, I know we can do more songs. Yeah.
I almost sat for the whole day if I have to accept the offer which is given to you from BBMP. And now I'm actually satisfied that we could help a lot of people who were in need. And I thank Srinivas sir for supporting and motivating all our work. And special thanks to Majraj sir.
Let's give a big round of applause, guys. Okay, so best project in club service, institution based.
2019 and 20 for the best project club service institutional based goes to Ale 2019 Rotary Club of Gems School.
Yes, let's give a big round of applause to Jamshedpur School and team. Can we have them on the stage, please? Congratulations, Jamshedpur School. Do we have Jamshedpur School Rotakas here or we have only Hemant? And Rota Fit Koramangala. Any guesses, guys? Alright, so
Right? Can you hear some noise from the community base? And the best project club service for a community based club, it will go to Rotary Koramangala.
yes, Rota Industry Council 3190. Congratulations. From Jamshedpur School.
Any guesses? Rotary Club of Surana.
Thank you, sir. Yes, it's Rotary Club of Surana College for having good. I request Surana people to come fast. Best project in community service, community based.
Community based goes to Project 3.
Yes. So it's Project 3 from Rotary Club of Seshadripuram. They have been doing this project for a lot of days with a lot of activities in terms of mental hygiene and women empowerment. And they also had a discussion from women, and it's been a wonderful to see Rotary Club of Seshadripuram. Congratulations and thank you so much for a wonderful project. Panther EC, where are you people? Make some noise, all my Panther Executive Council members. Definitely the achievement, the work what we have done. Pleasure to recognize all my Panther EC members. So I request all of you to gather one side so that we can finish this as soon as possible. Right, so shall we move on? Alright, so Chaitanya Naidu, Kedara from Zone 2. Thank you so much for our support, Chaitanya.